Here is a wonderful 2020 Toyota RAV4. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Handle life's twists and turns with confidence in this responsive, sporty RAV4. With advanced safety tech, multiple driving modes to choose from, a smooth ride, and compact SUV versatility, you'll be ready for whatever lies ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, power liftgate. You deserve to get everything you want in your next vehicle. This RAV4 ticks all the boxes: safe, efficient, comfortable, capable, and big on style. You also deserve the best service the industry has to offer. We'll take outstanding care of you. Come in for a test drive and meet our professional team.